Hi there. In this video, I am going to show you how to find or to discover your Wi-Fi password on your Windows 11. First, do not forget to subscribe on my channel. It's Tutorial Pro. Let's go. So go to this field and type Setting, double click or just one click. Go to Network and Internet. Go down for Advanced Network Settings. Once again, go down and click on More Network Adapter Options. In this window, go and right-click on this icon and click on this statue. Wireless Properties, then go and click on Security. Then check this square, Show Characters. So the password of this network or wireless is MeHasis 1977. Copy the password, then type it on your smartphone or on your tablet. Thank you for watching this video. Do not forget to subscribe on my channel.